Let's try and fix this Super Nintendo Mini. Or to give it its full title, Super Nintendo Entertainment System Nintendo Classic Mini. Catchy. Long-term viewers of my channel will know that I've looked at one of these before, and it had something very, very horrific inside it.
Good God.
Nice. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to fix that one. Hashtag spoiler. I'm hoping I have better luck with this one. Now, the listing on this one just said it had no power. There were pictures of the rear of this device, and it didn't look like someone had attacked it with a machete, which is nice. So let's have a look and just double check before we go sticking anything into it that the pins on this micro USB port are indeed there and not bent all over the shop. Let's have a look. Yeah, they look alright. Yeah, I think that's going to be fine. So let's plug this thing in and let's see if it does anything. Okay. No. So we get no red light, we get no amp draw. I think what I'm supposed to say now is, without any further ado, let's take this thing apart.
Back to the old school, we're laying this down. The SNES is the best in retro games, it wears the crown. This was made mini and brought right up to date. Is it as good as the OG? I'll let y'all debate. Back to the side quest, let's give out the thanks. Where would we be if we didn't give Keisha a chance? Rolling into town, Matt W and SJ Woodwalker, Dr. Princess Wizard, not Leonardo Skywalker. People still be hating, but I don't care. Say their name on base, I've always been there. Jamrag, Varoki, Sons of the West, taking these rounds to my bulletproof vest. Adam Taylor, Jonathan Wiggs, Roger, eating mashed potato like Bodger and Badger. Skyver 22, Diamond Stone his tea, in flip, bloody nice bloke like Tim, nice but dip. Oz Newton, Markovitz 19, RVE, Shaky, Twitch, Flux and Grievely, John Prushik, Kip Hicks, Canatary, Badger Squatch, OBM Studios, Daft Willie, Paul Bailey, Killswitch 669, Jonathan Harden, Infinity, doing fine. B Money, get the money, 7792, 21 seconds like the So Solid crew. Sarah Cat, Kegelbird, Dr. Funkenstein, Mick Adams, Ben Rush, running out of time. Feel my flow, let it go, slow and low. Yes, you know, here he is, Monkey Joe, Tokyo. Peace.
Well, first impressions, it looks lovely and clean inside here. And I can't see anything immediately obvious as to what might be wrong with it. But let's start with the simple things. Let's check the power switch. That seems like a good place to start, doesn't it? Alright, multimeter and continuity. Sorry, I'll stop saying that soon, I promise. Right, so we're in the A position now. So that should mean that these two are connected together. And yes, they are. Just make sure there's no shorts. No. Let's put it in the B position. Oh, there isn't a B position. There's an A and a C position. How bizarre. So that should mean these two are connected. And not shorting. Yeah, so that power button is absolutely fine. I suppose the other thing is the signal from that is presumably travelling down this ribbon cable. So is the ribbon cable okay? It looks it. I can check it, can I? Can I? Yes, I think I can. Multimeter in continuity. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good.
Good.
Right, well that's the simple things taken care of. Now let's look at the not so simple things. I'm going to assume that this board is absolutely fine. Let's have a look at this. Let's get it under the microscope. Let's have a quick look around, visual inspection and all that jazz. Let's do the solid test while we're here. Solid. Solid.
Solid.
Solid.
And...
Solid.
Right, so it's not that. If I remember rightly, on the one that I looked at last time, it was the main chip, wasn't it? The CPU, which is under there. I can't remember how I got to that conclusion. I think I did voltage injection, and it was just getting red hot straight away. I wonder if I've still got that. Oh no, I reused it, didn't I? I reused it for an emulation device in this video here. Right, well I can't see anything wrong with this. There's nothing jumping. What's that? Is that a 0 ohm resistor? I like a 0 ohm resistor, you know me. It's got a 0 on it, so I'm going to assume it's a 0 ohm resistor. Multimeter and continuity. Oh. Oh, I'm not on continuity. Well, that's absolutely fine. We got any other 0 ohm resistors or fuses or anything like that? No. Okay, well let's check for shorts, shall we? Let's go across some of these capacitors. Let's start with these ones around this magnificent looking chip here. AXP223. Oh, thought we had one there. Oh, nope, nothing around there. I'll check these ones. Nope. Right, I'll just go around the rest of the board and check the rest of the board. No, I can't find any shorts anywhere. Let's just double check the port now that it's out of the case. I might be able to see it a bit better. Yes, I can see it a bit better. And yes, it looks absolutely perfect. Lovely and clean and just so perfect. Right, well what on earth's going to be wrong with this then? Let's put power back in and let's follow some voltages round. Oops. Help if I put it in the right way round. Right, so we're outputting 5 volts. We're still not getting any amp draw. Let's just see if we've got voltage coming out of that port. Voltage DC. So here we should have 5 volts. And we don't. We have 2 volts. Why would we have 2 volts? 2 volts? What's going on? Oh, my power bank has turned off. Does it output 2 volts when it's off? Okay, well, let's see if it's now 5 volts. Yes, it is now 5 volts. That was weird. Okay, so we're getting 5 volts in, and then it goes from there to there. 5 volts to there. 5 volts to there. No, it doesn't. What? Is this a fuse? Let's do continuity. Yep. Whatever it is, it's not putting the 5 volts from there to there, so it must be a fuse. And the fuse is blown. Well, this could be quite easy then. Unless it's done any more damage. Why is the fuse blown? That's the question. Probably from idiots putting power banks in that output 15 volts and they're not supposed to. Right, well let's take that K-fuse off. Double check that it is indeed dead. Yes, it is. Right, what do I replace that with? Can I use a fuse from a Nintendo Switch? Because I think they're the only fuses I have that are similar to that. I don't know, but I'm going to. I should have one in my Captain Bodge box of tricks. Yes. Switch charge port fuses.
Let's have a look.
And how do they compare size-wise? Well, they look exactly the same to me. Well, they're obviously not. One's got a 3 on it, one's got a K on it. But I'm going to use it. I'm sure someone in the comments will tell me that it's a terrible idea. But I don't have any of those K fuses. I don't know what they are. So it's gone now. I really need to learn that blowing air on very small components blows them away. So I'm going to stick it down with some flux. Nice. Now let's just double check we've got continuity going through it. Yes, we do. So we should have continuity from this pin of the USB port to here. Yes, we do. Right. Well, let's pop it back together and see if it works. Right, let's give it some power and let's see what it does. Come on. Are you ready? Yes! It didn't come off straight away and I didn't think it was going to work. Right, we're drawing 0.23 amps, which I'm guessing is normal. It's climbing a little bit. 0.28. Red light's on. Right, let's hook a HDMI cable up and let's see if it's outputting anything. Of course it's upside down. Right, turn the lights off so hopefully we don't get any distracting reflections in the TV. I'm sure you can still see this. Right, here we go. Red light, awesome. Do we get anything on the screen? Yes, we do. Can you even see me on that screen? I don't think you can you? Yoo-hoo! Jam. Let's go with the Phoenix Suns. For no other reason than I like the sound of it.
Wild shot! Yeah!
Oh, nothing but net. I really wish I could remember how to play this.
The rebound!
Nice. I am not having that. Stupid. Whatever that was.
I got 21 seconds to flow. I got 21 seconds to go. Cause if you let me know. Let me in the studio. I got 21 seconds before I got to go. You see me on the video? Oh no. You see me on the video? Oh no. Cause if you let me know. Let me in the studio. I got 21 seconds before I got to go. 21 seconds, top, top, top. 21 seconds, top, top, top. 21 seconds, top, top.